Hi Ramai, welcome to the third series of Te Whāriki Workshop. In this workshop, I'll be discussing on the strands of Te Whāriki. There are 5 strands. They are well-being, belonging, contribution, communication, and exploration. Let's go in depth. The first strand is well-being, mana atua. The health and well-being of the child are protected and nurtured at the care. Well-being is about providing safe environment. It's very important for Tots that we should be providing very safe environment for our children. We will not compromise for children's safety. Well-being include physical and emotional well-being. What is physical well-being? Physical well-being could be providing a safe sleep area, an area which is safe from harm, safety in all aspects of environment. The emotional well-being could be by providing a caring environment which include cuddles, interactions, happiness, etc., which help the child to feel that they have a place at his or her care. It's just like a home away from home. The second strand is belonging, which is mana whenua. Children and their family feel a sense of belonging. Tots provide safe and secure places and make sure that where each child is treated with respect and diversity. Each one of you represent Tots, and we trust you that you provide a quality care for our children and family. Building a trust from the parent is very important. That's only achieved how you build a relationship with them. Communicate with the parents. Get to know each other. Respect their culture and their appearance. Be flexible. It all depends upon how well you know the family. It's only achieved through building a very good relationship through conversation, effective communication, especially we call as a professional communication, a professional relationship. You always should develop a professional relationship, not an unprofessional, very professional relationship. Children need to feel a sense of belonging. Show them that you care about them by attending their needs. Hug them when they need it. Communicate to them and understand their feelings. Set boundaries. It's very important for children to know what they are allowed and not allowed to do at their care. What are your expectations? You need to set rules and keep reminding children about the rules. Celebrate their culture and use their home language that will develop a feeling that the child and their family are special to you. Always keep it in mind that children observe you all the time. Number 3, contribution, mana tangata. Opportunities for learning are equitable and each child's contribution is valued at the care. All children have rights of access to all learning experience. There is no barrier that prevents them from learning. There is no age barrier. There is no gender barrier. No barrier. Encourage children to learn from their interest and curiosity. Get them to participate in their learning. Bring their ideas in. That will help children's confidence and participation. The program provides activity for children to develop their strength, interest, and ability, such as music and movement, language, construction, art, sorting, and organizing. And in doing things with others, children learn along with each other. They learn from you. Sometimes they will teach you some different new things. might be teaching you their language. So that is they should have a place where they can contribute something different which you don't know. So you need to give that opportunity for children to contribute in your care. Number 4, communication, mana, reo. The language and symbols of children's own and other cultures are promoted and protected. Languages are the means of communication with each other. We typically think that languages are words, sentences, and stories, but there are other means of communication, such as sign language, mathematics, visual, imaginary, art, dance, drama, rhythm, music, and movement. For example, a baby can't speak very little. They can communicate with you that she is happy by dancing to a music or moving here and there. Shows you that the baby is very tired by yawning. It's a sign language. See, you don't need a language to communicate. Confidence to communicate is very important. Children achieve this when you accept their culture and language by adding it into your teaching. In ECE, children's mother tongue is very important. Add it while you're teaching the child. For example, when you're helping a child with colors, help the child to learn how to say it in their language. And then you talk about how you say that in English. And then you go for Maori. Maori is very important that we need to include in our daily teaching. Our next workshop on Maori will help you to develop your learning on Maori language. The fifth strand and the last strand is exploration. The child learns through active exploration of the environment. This strand is about supporting infants, toddlers, and young children to explore, learn from, respect, and make sense of the world. Nature is very important. Take them outside, let them run around, climb, balance, which help children to develop their physical skill. Get them to feel the nature by touching, feeling, and asking questions. Provide activity challenging their physical and mental development. Interaction is very important and crucial. Talk to them, ask them what they think about that. Give them time to problem solve themselves if they can't do that by themselves, then you support them, but you need to give them time. This is the end of this workshop. Please feel free to ask any questions if you have. Please feedback on how do you find this workshop. Was it easy? Any recommendation? This will help us to make necessary changes for the coming workshop to make it easier for you. Thank you.